It's winner announcement time. Stay tuned as I'll unveil who won the Bred 11 giveaway.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What's up? It's your boy, J-So, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Bred 11 giveaway. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, tap that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. And you might remember this already, but J-So only has one Instagram page, _JSOLE_. So if you see somebody with my logo, but a different handle, you already know, it ain't me. Please report and block. And I'm sure you know this by now, but all of my giveaways are 100% free. You pay for nothing. Now, let's talk about this. As you probably already feel, the Jordan 11 is an iconic sneaker. The Jordan 11, in my humble opinion, has such a clean look. The patent leather, this mesh, this colorway with the red along the outsole, the white midsole. It is a beautiful sneaker. So this is Mocha Jordan's favorite silhouette, and it's top 3 for me. I know everybody's been working hard to find out who's gonna win their free pair of Bred 11s. So without further ado, I'm happy to announce the winner is Ashley Magdaleno. Congratulations. I completely understand the disappointment. Ashley's obviously elated. You might not be too happy right now, but just learn from it. Keep trying. Pick yourself up, and there's always going to be another one. There's so many people entering these giveaways that it's imperative to differentiate yourself from the competition. So here's one way to do it. Make sure that you're bookmarking the posts. Bookmark it, take a screenshot, DM me the screenshot for credit. In addition to that, make sure that you're spamming the comments with your shoe size. That always helps. If you're doing those other 2 things, make sure that you're also active on my page, on the pages of all the other hosts, to set yourself apart, because when the competition is that fierce, small differences separate you from a win and a lesson you probably already remember. We don't take L's, we learn lessons. We learn lessons, we get better, we try again. That's the mentality of a winner, and you're a winner. And once one giveaway ends, we're always on to the next one.
Another one.
And so we're very happy to announce that we are giving away the dark Mocha Jordan 1s. This is more refreshing than your favorite Starbucks cup of coffee. These are beautiful. It feels like some of the best leather I've felt, with smooth suede. Absolutely spectacular. They're breathtaking in hand and even better on feet. Make sure that you go enter this giveaway as soon as possible and implement those tips that I gave you. Spamming the comments with your shoe size, bookmarking each post, and being very active on the pages of all the hosts. Wishing you good luck, and I think you're gonna love this pair. Last but not least, please make sure to subscribe to V-Soul's channel. Female sneakerhead, she's got great content. It's very entertaining, and she shows you all the heat she's got and how she likes to rock it. Different fits, purses, accessories. She's got it all. So make sure you're subscribing. So thanks for watching today. I enjoyed talking to you, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Peace and love.